everyone. So another activity you can do at home is finding all the number bonds to 10 using your Numicon. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 10 Numicon piece. Okay, and we need to find out which two numbers add together to make 10. So that's what a number bond is, when we add together two numbers to get a different number. Okay, so which two of these Numicon pieces can we add together to make 10? What should we start with then? Let's start with 7. I'm going to start with the pink one. I like pink. So I'm going to put this on top of my 10. And I'm wondering how many more we need to add to 7 to get to 10. And I can see that there's a bit of blue here, and there's 1, 2, 3 holes there. So I'm going to get my 3 Numicon piece. I'm going to turn it round. You might need to rotate them a little bit. And I'm going to put it on top. And I can see that this matches the 10. So let's put it beside it just to check. It's the same size. Yep. So we can see that 7 and 3 makes 10. Okay, so let's write that down. 7 add 3 equals 10, or we know addition can be done in any order. So let's say that 3 plus 7 equals 10 as well. Lovely. So I'm going to leave that there. Next, what two numbers shall I go for next? I'm going to go for a 9 this time. And I'm going to put it over the top of my 10 to show me what number I might need to add to get to 10. So I'm going to put it over the top. And I can see this time there's only 1 missing. Here's my 1. And I'm going to put it there. Brilliant. I can see that 9 add 1 if I put it next to it as well. Yep, 9 plus 1 is the same as 10. It makes 10. So let's write that as well. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Or we can write that as 1 plus 9 equals 10 as well. Okay. Now, which shall I go for next? So I know my 7 and 3 equals 10. I know that my 9 and 1 equals 10. So let's put them over there. Okay. Now, what should we go for next? Let's go for a 6. So I'm going to get my 6 and I'm going to put it on top. And have a look. How many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 4 Numicon piece? There it is. Let's pop it on top and see if it fits. Yep, it does. So we know that 6 and 4, let me just put it beside to double check. Yep, it's the same size and same shape. So 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4 equals 10. So let me write that in as well. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Or we can write that as 4 plus 6 equals 10, because addition can be done in any order. All right, then I'm going to have to move some of these off my board to make some room. So the next one, let me have a look. We haven't used the 8 yet, have we? 8, I'm going to pop that on top of my 10. How many more do I need to get to 10? I wonder, is it 2, 5, or 10? Ooh. Well, let's try the 5, and we can clearly see when we put that on top, that doesn't fit. That definitely doesn't fit. So let's try the 2. We'll pop that on top. Yep, there we go. We can see that 8 and 2 equals 10, or 2 plus 8. Doesn't matter which way round. So let's write that there as well. 2 plus 8 equals 10, or 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so we haven't got many more to go, have we? So let's pop that over here as well. Okay, they both make 10. Right then, so we've got a 5. Let's pop the 5 on top of my 10 to see how many more we're going to need. Here we go. So there's a 5 on top. How many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another 5. So let's just try and see if it fits. Yep, that fits as well. So we can see that 5 plus 5 also equals 10. It's the same number, so we don't need to write that one out twice. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. And the very last one that's there all on its own is a 10. Okay, so what do we need to add to that 10 to make 10? Nothing. You're right. So we're just going to write here 10 plus 0 equals 10, or 0 plus 10 equals 10. And there we have it, all the number bonds of 10. So see if you can have a go and practice at home yourself.